guys, what is up? Joe here, back at the beginning with another video. And I know guys, it's been a while. I have been uploading for almost a month and I would like to apologize on that. Because, well, I've been busy with some personal matters that needs to be prioritized as of the moment. And everything is good on my end. This is why I'm vlogging now. I now have the time to vlog again. So in today's video is actually something travel related. Wow, it's been a while. Yeah, it's been a while since I made a travel related content. Yeah, blame coronavirus for ruining travel plans for 2020. I'm affected so much. And yeah, in today's video is gonna be a travel photo book making. And to make a photo book, I'm using Photobook Philippines. For those people who are not familiar with Photobook Philippines, they are a website where you can customize design. They will print out your photo book and they will deliver it to your doorstep. So it's actually a nice service if ever you're the type who likes making photo books or who would like to print your photos and, you know, immortalize it in such a way because it gives more value than just seeing your photos in social media. That's my take. And I would like to thank the sponsor for today's video. Her name is Chris. She's the one who gave me the voucher to try the services. And for those who don't know who Chris is, she is one of my travel companions in several of my videos already. She's been seen in Ilocos, Tanay, and Baguio. Also, she just started her own YouTube channel all about gaming. So if you can share your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing to her YouTube channel, that would be really awesome. Okay, so let's dive into Photobook Philippines. Okay, so for a crash introduction, this is Photobook Philippines website. So you just go to Photobook and just click Explore Photobooks. So in this section, this is where you can choose a specific theme for the photo book that you would like to design. So since I am a travel person, they actually have a travel theme design. And if you would like to choose like a different design depending on the situation, you can do so because they have babies and kids, weddings, family, everyday, holiday, etc. So it doesn't really stick to just travel. So let me pick the theme. So there are 22 travel themes to choose from. And yeah, these are the designs that you can customize. What I chose was Stay Wild for my design. And here's the section on how you want to customize it in terms of orientation, size, and cover type. So since my voucher is actually the square orientation and it's 6x6, I'm gonna choose that. And well, soft cover photo book and perfect binding is my only option for this choice. But if you want it like a bigger, you can do so. And then yeah, you can also choose like different types of cover types from image wrap, hardcover, deboss hardcover, deluxe hardcover. So of course, the more premium the materials, the more expensive it's gonna be. So Chris gave me the small square, so I'm gonna choose that. And soft cover photo book. So this is the amount that costs this type of photo book. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I actually designed already my photo book. And I'm just gonna give you like a run through of the editing interface. So over here is your images section. So this is where you can upload your many photos that you want to use to design your photo book. So as you can see, I already uploaded all those photos. And it doesn't stop from JPEG files. You can also upload PNG. So if ever you have like a logo such as this one, this is my personal logo. I decided to put it there because I want to, you know, put a personal feel into my back and front cover. And this section is actually the background design. So you can choose like solid colors because there are some pages here that is just plain white. If you prefer to change that, you can do so. And they also have different sections for, let's say, everyday, travel, summer, and party designs. So if you don't like the solid colors, you can choose different backgrounds depending on the theme that you want to put. Since this is a travel theme photo book, travel is one of the designs that you can choose from. So there's some palm leaves, sea creatures, some designs from Paris, I believe. Now the next section, these are travel clip arts. So if I can show you in the second page, this is actually a clip art coming from Photobook Philippines, and since it's related to travel, ayun. So I decided to put it there since it's already pre-installed in my design, and yeah, it's related to like traveling, never stop exploring. So those are like several designs in the clip art. There's also some designs like this: the mountains are calling, I must go. Some pine trees, there's also some badges if you're into that. So yeah, there's a lot of nice designs you can choose from. Yeah, I'm liking it. And over here are your layouts. So each pages have different layouts. So it depends on how many photos that you want to upload on a certain page. So if you have like 4 photos that you want to upload in one page, they have different layouts for you to choose from. So you can use like a normal grid type, a grid with different types of sizes and lengths. So that's good. So it's really customizable to your liking. This is what I like about the website. It's user-friendly. That's the first thing that I noticed. And in this section, you can put mask into your photos. So for example, let's go to this page for example's sake. Let me just move this design muna. For example, okay, what if I want to put a design into a photo? So I can just place it here. And then I can drag maybe a photo. Let's say this one, for example's sake. There you go. So those are some masking designs that you can put whenever you're uploading a photo. It's really cool. Maybe I should use this in one of my photos. It's really nice. Okay, let me delete that, put that back. And the last section are some frames that you can put to one of your designs. I'm not really a big fan of their frames, so I just want my design to be simple, like true to the theme. So I'll just leave that there. So this is basically the editor itself. Now, if you're the person is taking their time to design their photo book, you can actually save work. And what you need to do is copy the link and make sure you know the link so that if ever you will close the editor, you can go back to the link and continue your work. So yeah, this is like my short tour of Photobook Philippines editor interface. Hey guys, Future Joe here, currently editing the video that you are watching right now. And I would like to say that this is embarrassing. I will cut this video short because honestly, I didn't expect the video to be a bit long for my taste. So what you're watching now is actually part 1. And if you guys are interested in watching my photo book travel design, stay tuned for part 2. Okay? Alrighty, so I'll end this video right now. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. See you guys.